Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aurelia Shiva Salsabila from Pharmacy Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya, Class B. Natural product, anything that is produced by life, including biotic materials such as wool, silk, body fluids such as milk, plant exudate, and other natural materials that were once found in living organisms, such as soil and coal. A more restrictive definition of natural product is any organic compound that is synthesized by a living organism. Natural products have a high structural diversity and unique pharmacological or biological activities due to natural selection and evolutionary process that have shaped their usefulness over hundreds of thousands of years. Thus, natural products have been used in traditional and modern medicine to treat disease. In addition to drugs, natural products and their derivatives are commonly used as food additives in the form of herbs, antibacterial agents. Analytical chemistry is the science of obtaining, processing, and communicating information about the composition and structure of matter. Typical job functions include performing qualitative and quantitative analysis, sampling, defining, isolating, concentrating, and preserving samples, validating and verifying results through calibration and standardization. An analytical chemist may conduct basic laboratory research, perform process and product development, design instruments used in analytical analysis. Theoretical chemists seek to provide theories and explanation for chemical observation, with also posing questions to be answered by future experiments. Playing a key role in physical chemistry, it uses the laws of physics to predict molecular structure, dynamics, bonding, reactivity, physical properties, and spectroscopic response. Theoretical chemists design molecules using computer rather in the lab, compute the properties and behavior of materials, simulate and models molecules using computer software and quantum theories. Computation and theoretical methods help a lot to get useful information about chemical compounds before going to the lab and producing and characterizing them. Theoretical chemistry can apply to all other areas of chemistry, such as theoretical organic chemistry or theoretical inorganic chemistry. Medicinal chemists researching the ways chemicals affect biological systems, either human or veterinary, developing new drugs and determining formulation to deliver bioactive compounds, testing new drugs in lab experiments and patients, identifying which other compounds might interact with the drug and determining the nature of the interaction, and then developing protocols for drug administration. Bioengineers who design and analyze to biological systems and biomedical technologies. Examples of bioengineering research including bacteria engineered to produce chemical, new medical imaging technology, portable disease diagnosis device, and tissues engineering organs. Pharmaceutical chemists, one engaged in research in medicinal chemicals or the production. Toxicologist is a scientist who has a strong understanding of many scientific disciplines, such as biology and chemistry, and typically works with chemical and other substances to determine if they are toxic or harmful to humans and other living organisms or the environment. Clinicians are responsible for providing health care, treatment, and support patients with varying ailments or disease. as well as support to prevent disease. One type of clinician is a registered nurse. Another type of clinician is a mental health clinician or counselor who is responsible for providing therapy to patients who have mental illness. Surgeons are clinicians with more advanced responsibilities, such as treating injuries with surgical procedure. Physician, a medical doctor, especially one who has general skill and is not a surgeon. Psychiatry are physicians that focus on mental health and provide psychotherapy and medication. Other physician specialties include dermatology, family medicine, internal medicine, and emergency medicine. So in my opinion, pharmaceutical chemistry is concerned with the drug design, and synthesis of biologically active molecules. The aim is to gain new chemical molecules that could enable the discovery of new pharmaceuticals or optimize already known drug structure, thereby to expand the portfolio of chemical drugs. That is all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.